So how do you do this first? I want to show you how to do this first page. This is part of the homework. There's another part of the homework too. So from 6 to 2, let's see, from 4 to 2, let's do this 4 to 2 together. Could somebody look up the energy at 4 and tell me what it is? Could you give that to me? Amelia, would you give me the energy at 4? When you look up hydrogen, give me the energy at 4. Or maybe Alicia, would you give me the energy at 4? 0.85 eV, and we're going to drop that negative. And what's the energy at 2? 3.40 eV. Now, what do we do for the energy emitted? Because we're going down, right? So could you subtract those two for me, Alicia?
It's 2.5.
2.55. Let me X that out. So it's 2.55. Oops. So 2.55. Okay, and what's the energy? Now the next column, that's EV, so we got that. Energy emitted in joules, so it's oops, my bad. Could you look up, so the next thing we have to do to get the energy in joules is simply find out what 1 EV is. So, Alicia, what is, in the front page of the reference table, what is 1 EV? Tell me if I'm wrong. I think it's this over here, isn't it? That's how many EVs. 1 EV is that much, right? See? Yeah, okay, now what do you do? So, Alicia, multiply 2.55 times this, and we'll get this one over here. And double check, because nobody's perfect. Could somebody do that for me? 2.55 times 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19? What do you get?
It's 4.08 times 10 to the negative 19.
Is she right? Anybody 10 to the negative 19th? Is it 4.08? That is joules. Okay, we got that one over there. Now, how do we get the frequency? We have the energy. Now we need the frequency. What equation will do that for us? Tell us, Paige. What equation will give us? Now we want the frequency. What's that equation?
E equals HF.
Oh, right. I knew you'd know it. Equals HF. So the energy is 4.08 times 10 to the negative 19th joules equals H. And H is a constant 6.63. Someone double check this with me. I think it's this. Could you double check that, Alicia? Again, that's H. 6.63 times 10 to the...
Yeah.
Okay, now multiply by F. Now, what do we do to find the F? Divide both sides with parentheses by 6.63 times 10 to the negative 34. Come on, double check Alicia, because we can't, she could make mistakes. What do you get when you divide those two numbers? Oh, good. Aaron's double checking. Good. Thanks, Aaron.
6.15 times 10 to the 14th.
Times 10 to the 14th. Okay, cool. That's hertz. And is it visible or not? Now how do we know if that's visible? Let's take a look at our page. Let's see, page. Is it visible or not? Could you all turn to page 2 and look at that frequency? Is it visible light or not? 6.15 times 10 to the 14th. Is it visible or not visible? Look at the range of each color. Look at the low number and the high number. I'm really making Alicia work. Alicia, is that visible light or is it not visible? Look at all the colors. You see the color ranges, the low name on page 2. Page 2. Everybody look at page 2. So put that away. Look. Oh, I'm done. So everybody look at 2. I think that was something. Put number 2. Anybody see the colors? Is it visible or not? Visible, Alicia?
It's visible.
It is visible. What color is it?
It's green.
Oh, it's
wait, no, blue.
Blue, good. So in looking up, it is definitely, so it's yes, and it is blue. So there you go. That's how you do it. That's how you do this first page. Now, there are 2 homeworks. One of this is just to fill out the chart and only fill out the chart. And the other one is to do the page 1 and 2 of the sheet you got yesterday, okay? So is that pretty clear? Now, how will I know if it's visible? I look at the colors and I look at their frequencies. So that's what you got to do. Oh, good, girls? Okay, that's it. Uh-oh. Oh, no, was I not even... Uh-oh, I think I wasn't recording this. What happened to the recording button? Maybe it's over here.